Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will see 10 lines essay on Dr. Rajendra Prasad. 1. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the first president of India. 2. He was born on 3rd December 1884. 3. He actively participated in the freedom struggle of India. 4th, he was a prominent leader of the Indian National Congress. 5th, he served as the President of the Constituent Assembly. 6th, Prasad was known for his simplicity and humility. 7. After independence, he served as the President from 1950 to 1962. 8. He was a champion of social justice and equality. 9. Prasad's dedication to the nation earned him immense respect. 10. His legacy continues to inspire generations in India. Thank you for watching my video. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.